What's going on, good people? This is Terrence from Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the page. Today we are doing Southern collard greens. Alright, so now these greens, we're doing a kind of a easy step. These here have already been triple washed. They've already been cut, so they are ready to cook. So what we're going to do first, we're going to start off. We have our smoked meat. Here I have some smoked pork neck bones. You don't eat pork, it's okay. You can use smoked turkey. Some people even use smoked oxtails if you like that. But we're going to do smoked turkey. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put these in a pot. We're going to add the chicken stock to these, and we're going to let this cook down before we even get into adding the actual greens in. We want to get that flavor out of the pork neck bones first thing first. Okay? Once we do that, then we'll come back and we'll start adding. And here again, you don't want to add seasoning to these because there's a lot of seasoning in this meat. There's a lot of seasoning in the chicken broth. So we want to wait and add seasoning after the greens are in and once we can kind of taste that stock. All right, so we'll come back. Look at that, those neck bones, man, they cooking down. You see it? And that stock, man, getting all that flavor. It's gonna be ready for them. It's time to put those greens in. All right, so now listen, the pork neck bones have been cooking down about 30, 45 minutes in this stock. So it's bringing out some serious flavor. So now we want to go ahead and start putting some of these greens in that pot with all that good flavor. And it's going to start cooking down. Oh yeah. And like I said, we don't want to put any seasoning on these just yet. We want to give this a little while, let these cook down, and we want to taste that flavor of the greens here in the next 30, 45 minutes. And that's when we'll start adding some seasoning if we need to. Collards. So
when you score that, my cousin opened a dispensary in Boulder.